Hello everyone, welcome to the Elliott Wave Forecast.com YouTube channel. My name is Henry. Today is Thursday, August the 8th. The time is 4 a.m. GMT. We are looking at the chart of the Nikkei here. This is a short-term chart, 45 minutes. We can see right now indices has been doing a brief rally here after the sell-off in the past couple of days. After the Trump's tweet, and right here it's trying to recover in the sell-off. This is the Nikkei. We have the right side down. That suggests trend wise we do like more downside in the Nikkei here, and we are now correcting or bouncing in zigzag. We have A, B, and then now looking to finish the C leg as a 5 waves. And then once this is finished, this is the area where we expect the Nikkei to finish the correction and then start to turn lower or extend to the downside. Now you can see this is labeled as wave 2, this is 3, so therefore this is going to be a wave 4 correction, and as far as we stay below 21,805 we can see further downside. Alright, so now if we zoom out and let's take a look and place this in the 4-hour chart. So this is your wave 3 right here. Alright, and this one wave 2 is 21,805. I believe it's 21,805 is this one. This is your wave 2 here, right? So you got a 1 2 3 4 5 right now, okay, in the Nikkei. And if you zoom out, sorry, I think it's this one, my bad, this one. All right, so you can see if you look at it from May 2019 peak here, you can see right now we got a sequence of lower low, right? And if you label this, let's say, as a impulse and end it A here, and this is your B, then this is your C leg, and so far we only have 3 waves with an extended 3. Typically is the characteristic of an impulsive behavior when you have an extended 3. Now on top of that, if you measure the 100% of the ABC, you notice that we have not reached the 100% target here, 19,616. So it is quite likely that this rally here again is going to fail and then extend lower again towards this area, at least 19,616 and even lower. This is approximately the area we're looking for here, right, before finishing the cycle from 2019, right, as a zigzag. So in the shorter cycle, again, this is the area. If the Nikkei can rally to this area, then this is going to be potentially finding resistance here and finding sellers to bring the indices down to new low one more time at least. Okay, so that's the update, guys, for the Nikkei today. And if you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe. And we also have 14 days free trial. You can always try our service. The link is provided in the description of the video. Okay, and also we have 50% summer promotion still right now. So the market is moving very fast, so very exciting. So take the opportunity to join the service with the 50% promotion. All right, so see you all again tomorrow. Have a nice day, everyone.